So, I just got this box in the mail from Creality, delivered by DHL. Creality did not tell me what they were sending me or that they were sending me a package at all. I just got a notification and it arrived. Here is that package. And what's interesting is this package appears to be the first sign of the K2 Plus in the wild. You might be wondering, why do I say that? Well, let's have a look at what's inside this box. The first thing I want to show you is this spool. This is Creality HYPER PLA. This is my personal favorite. You might notice it has a cardboard spool. Unfortunately, that means no using this spool in the bamboo AMS. I only use this spool in single color printers. That's most unfortunate that I can't use my favorite filament in my Bamboo Lab printers with the AMS due to the cardboard. Wait a second. The K2 Plus uses Creality's new CFS, the Creality filament system. One could guess that too will recommend using plastic spools. So what do? We can't use Creality's best filament, HYPER PLA, in our awesome new K2 Plus with the CFS? That would be really awful. This is something I've been thinking about. And then this box showed up, and I opened it up, and I was disappointed. I said, I don't understand. They just sent me filament. It's white, blue, red, another white. And I'm like, I don't get it. Why'd they send me all the, oh, they're colors. I wonder if they're sending me these in preparation of working with the K2 Plus. But then I thought, what's this label say? HYPER PLA red, HYPER PLA blue, but I thought HYPER PLA had a cardboard spool and we can't use it. That's when I realized the real interesting thing that I'm noticing is not the fact that they sent me the spools in this bizarro Ziploc foil bag, but that it doesn't feel like cardboard spools. It feels like plastic spools. Inside this bag is in fact HYPER PLA with the Creality logo on a plastic spool. It does appear that Creality is preparing their best filament for the K2 Plus by making the move from cardboard spools to plastic spools. And these plastic spools arriving at my door do appear to be the first sign that the appearance of the K2 Plus is imminent. There it is. This is a very, very nice looking filament. This is in fact blue on a plastic spool. So there's no doubt Creality has made the move from cardboard to plastic in order to prepare HYPER filament for the launch of the K2 Plus and the Creality filament system. Much excite. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.